Connecting a new device to Xoom 2026 can be done quickly and easily by following these steps. This guide will help you set up your device in no time. Step 1. Power on the device. Ensure that your new device is powered on and fully charged. Check the device's manual if you need assistance with turning it on. Step 2. Access settings. Navigate to the settings menu on your Xoom 2026. This is typically found by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon. Step 3. Select Bluetooth. In the settings menu, find and select the Bluetooth option. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled by toggling the switch to the on position. Step 4. Pair new device. On your Xoom 2026, look for the option to add a new device. Your device will start searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. When your new device appears in a list, tap on it to initiate pairing. Step 5. Confirm pairing. Follow any prompts that appear on both your Xoom 2026 and the new device to confirm the pairing. This may involve entering a code or simply accepting a connection request. Once you have completed these steps, your new device should be successfully connected to your Xoom 2026. Enjoy using your new device.